I'm going to go ahead and model the girder that spans the entire space. Let's turn off the visibility for the columns and the floor right now, so that all we want to see is the CAD underlay. So I want to draw that profile. Let's go to a plan view, remembering that we're going to have to pick it up to, we're going to have to raise it to an elevation of 13.6. Let's go to a top view and go ahead and draw lines that create the profile of this girder. We're assuming, perhaps incorrectly, that the depth of it is as deep as these columns, but that's okay. We can adjust that if that turns out to be wrong, if we find out otherwise. So I'm just tracing around those columns, and I'm going to embed each side. Here we drew the center line of the door there, so it will be embedded in the exterior wall. I'm going to take this edge and move it 4 inches into the wall using the move tool. The red axis, which is the X axis, that's value of 4. So we have polygon that describes the profile of the girder. We're going to extrude it using push-pull to 2 feet, which is the depth of it that we have from the CAD file. I'm going to triple click here and group it and put it on a girder layer that I've created from layer 0 to girder, so we can control this visibility separately. Then I'm going to go to a front view and raise it 12 inches. Would be the top of that slide, plus the height, the 13.6 height would be 14.6. Let's use the move tool to select any place and draw and make sure we're on the blue axis. And we're raising it explicitly 14.6. So that sets the correct elevation, which is 13.6 above the slab, which is invisible right now, which this visibility we can turn on, along with the columns and the walls, and we go to an isometric view to see what we've got so far.